Let me ask you a question. How much time and treasure have you already spent trying to learn how to trade Emini Futures? A couple thousand, a couple months. How about 20,000, 30,000, 50,000? How about 2, 3, 5 years? How long has it been? How much money are you going to spend? I'm waiting for an answer. I know. It's depressing, right? Well, I have good news. You don't have to spend another dime to find out what actually works, at least for you. Take our trial. Spend 5 days in our live Emini Trading Room. Watch us put on and take off trades, learn our methodology. You can even use our indicators for the entire week. At the end of 5 days, you'll be able to make a well-informed decision whether or not what we do is right for you. Think about all the time and all the money already spent. Now ask yourself this: how much of either one do you have left? Join me for the upcoming week. 5 days in our live Emini Trading Room. Learn what we do, how we do it. It won't cost you a dime, no credit card required. And as a bonus, I'm going to send you Emini alerts 24/7. That's right, around the clock for the entire week. Go to eminitrainingschool.com. That's eminitrainingschool.com.